how to connect the iPhone Apple CarPlay to the Toyota CHR 2023. So we're going to need to use the lightning cable and connect it to the USB port right here. So here I'm going to plug it in. Now if you are using the newer model, then we're going to use the USB-C port. So here I'm connecting the USB cable to my iPhone. On my phone here, I'm going to tap on allow, and then we're going to open up CarPlay. Okay, once connected, just wait for the system to connect and then press on the menu button. Here, tap on Apple CarPlay, and here's the CarPlay not available. To use CarPlay, enable Siri in settings app on the iPhone. Okay, so on your phone, make sure you turn on Siri and back to the car display screen. Tap on menu, and then Apple CarPlay, and here we'll be able to view the map. And on the side here, your map, music, messages, and you got phone application, music, maps, messages, now playing, Toyota app, podcast, audiobook. You can listen to YouTube music, go into settings, and so on. So a number of things that you can do with Apple CarPlay once you are connected. So just using the USB-C cable and plug it into this port right here, and you are good to go. So once we plug it in, it will appear here shortly. Give it a few seconds and Apple CarPlay appear, and you just tap on that and you're good to go. So there isn't much for you anything you need to do. Everything should be connected automatically. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.